Welcome to another SearchSave lesson. In addition to the general search options available to you on the SearchSave.com homepage, as well as in the SearchSave toolbar, there are 8 additional options if you click on Advanced Search, and I'll explain what these are. First, we'll click on Advanced Search. The top 4 under Find Pages right here you would use to find web pages related to your search term in some way. Let's say you want to find dieting websites. Okay, fine. Diets. Search. Okay. Here are a lot of diet websites, and then on the right here are related searches for different types of diets, different things related to your search that you might find interesting. But let's say we want to narrow it down a little bit more. Well, let's go to Advanced Search. We only want diets which are not for vegetarians or vegans, for example. Okay, I've done this search before, so I already have those terms. So now what this means is that we will search for pages with the words diets but without the words vegetarian or vegan. So let's see what comes up. It starts off Atkins. Atkins is definitely not a diet that vegetarians or vegans can do because it's a very meaty kind of diet. So there we go. Now here's another handy tool. Say you're trying to remember a website you visited before, but you only remember part of the address. Well, that's simple. You just enter the part of the address you remember, and SearchSave will search the internet for all web addresses which contain the word or words you remember. And I'll show you how this works. Click on Advanced Search. And now we're going to do a special search. In the URL you remember, it had a funny word, XOOM. Okay, and that's all you remember. So you do a search, and you look and you see all the results will have XOOM in the URL. Right there, right here. Here. So you just scroll down until you find the website which was the one you had originally been looking for. Or maybe you found a website via another link while browsing. If you know what that original link was, you can do a search for all websites which linked to the website that you remember. And here's how that will work. Click on Advanced Search, and under Special Searches we're going to search for sites which link to Zappos.com. Okay, so what this means is that you were doing a search, you were browsing the internet, and you went to Zappos.com, and then from there you went to this other website, and you can't remember what the other one is. But you can do a search for the websites which link to the one you remember, which is Zappos. Click Search, and your results will be all the websites which link to Zappos. So you can go through there and find the website you were looking for. So there are some examples of how you use Advanced Search. Hope it helps.